Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new, and for my returning kin folks, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be installing this 18-inch highlighted lace front wig by Supernova Hair. Now let's get into it. First things first, I like to do the bald cap method. I like to make sure my cap is stretched out and fitting my head perfectly. Now, y'all, this is the first time I'm installing closure wigs. I normally try to go for the full lace wig that's at least 13 by 4 or ear to ear, I should say, but this one will work. Now that I've adjusted my wig and got it fitting right, I'm going to go in with this Got To Be glued hairspray. I'm only going to spray the stocking cap where the lace of the wig will be placed. And to speed up the drying process, I decided to go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting, just so that we can get that stocking cap, or not stocking cap, but that wig cap molded and, you know, ready for installation. After the wig cap was completely dry, I went in with the like just some setting powder or just some face powder that is about my skin tone, so that it's really giving that bald looking effect, because we want a really good foundation for our wig. We want it to look like scalp. Okay, now normally I would cut this wig cap from ear to ear, but this time around I'm only cutting it 5 by 5 inches, again just where that lace is going to be placed. After I cut the cap, I like to go in with the Ghost Bond bonding lace glue so that I can secure my wig. I like to dot the product on in front of the wig, just above the hairline, and then I like to go back in with the end of my rat tail comb and just smooth everything out. After the glue dries down a little bit, after we have smoothened it out, now it is time to get this wig adjusted. And it's kind of hard to explain how to adjust the wig on your hairline, but hopefully you guys can get a good picture here. But after I put the lace on, like a little, I put the lace like a little bit in front of, you know, my hairline, and then I like to go back in and just make sure everything is smooth. The lace, the glue, I just want to make sure everything is giving a smooth finish, even if I have to go and smoothen it out. Hopefully I did a good job of explaining that. But anyways, once the lace is smooth, I like to go in with the elastic band so that my lace can be molded and just looking perfect, looking like scalp. And while that lace is molding, we're just going to get into the details of this hair. First things first, let's just take in how deep this part is on this wig. I really love the deep parting and how I can easily turn this into a side part, so the flexibility was everything. Okay, I really enjoyed this wig, so already I'm letting y'all know. But look y'all, this hair is very soft. As I stated before, this wig is by Supernova on Amazon. This is human hair with the density of 180%. This 18-inch wig did come pre-plucked, and I appreciate that. So this is a good beginner wig, or you could probably wear this glueless if you want, but this is something cute and different, very low maintenance. Now you guys, as I was cutting this lace, I did notice that it is very transparent, and it was easy to actually work with this lace, so I do like that. That is very nice. because who doesn't want scalp like lace, right? Okay, we want everything to look seamless, to look like the hairline, to just look good, you know? After cutting the lace, I did notice that there was some little tabs at the front of the wig that I did go ahead and just cut off because they were jabbing me in my head. So if you're wondering if you should cut them off because they just don't have any purpose other than to cause pain to you. Anyways, y'all, now that the lace is nice and melted and it's looking good, might I say, I need to get this wig straight. So now I'm going to go in with the hot comb so that we can just get that top and that root very, very, very straight. Y'all, I feel really good about my little lace melting skills, okay? I mean, like, let's just take a look at that real quick. It's definitely looking very natural up there. Okay. But listen, y'all, if this isn't your first time visiting my channel and you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And let's be kinfolks, let's be relatives, come on over here and, you know, just join the family. So again, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and then go back up there by the subscribe button and hit that little bell so that you can be notified anytime I drop a new video. And then just make sure you come back. So if you thought I was perfect, boom, nope, I'm not. I always be burning myself on my forehead, especially with these little curling irons and stuff, curling irons, hot combs. I'm good for burning the mess out of myself, yo. So, whew. I mean, I'm glad that it didn't go too far, but you know. Anyways, y'all, we gonna go ahead and swoop these baby hairs. After I get those edges together, I then like to go back in with the elastic band and just tie the edges down so that I could have a little bit more free range when it comes to straightening the rest of this hair, because the last thing I need to do is mess up them edges and then, you know, have to, you know, do those all over again. But I will say this hair is straightening very nicely. So yeah, if you want something, especially for the winter time, if y'all want to switch it up, get some wigs with some color in it, go ahead and put this one on your list. Like I said, the hair is soft, easy to work with. Y'all see how it's straightening, it's doing its thing, and it actually stays straight for a couple of days, you know. So if you're looking for a wig to glue on or a wig to make glueless, go ahead, like I said, and get this one. I will go ahead and link the description, or not the description, there I go again, but I will put the link in the description box down below for y'all. And y'all let me know what y'all think about this hair in the comments down below. I mean, is it just me seeing how transparent this lace is right now, or what? Okay, so y'all go ahead, let me know, and also give this video a thumbs up. See, look y'all, look at this lace, look at the lace. It's lacing, it's doing what it's supposed to be doing, and it looks good. It looks good, okay? But listen, Ken folks, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to watch some more of my content. And I really appreciate y'all for stopping by and watching this video, and also go and watch the tutorial to this makeup look right here. I think I did a good job on this look right here. It's cute, it's real cute. But anyways, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. May peace and love be multiplied. Peace out.